I can't wait to show you guys this beautiful home on this gorgeous bayfront lot with over 1 million in renos, a private spa and pool. You're going to love this place. Let's go have a look inside. Let's step inside this one-of-a-kind bayfront masterpiece where modern design meets effortless luxury. In case you're new here, I'm Kat Baker, a realtor serving 30A in the Emerald Coast. If you ever run into any questions at all, you can call me directly on 850-375-2682. I'd be honored to help. We begin in the flex space, a versatile extra living area perfect for a media room, playroom, or stylish lounge. Next, step into the primary suite, a true retreat with expansive water views, oversized closets, and a spa-inspired ensuite. It's your personal escape at the end of every day. What I love most about this home is that you can literally feel the love poured into it. The main living area welcomes you with soft natural light and seamless indoor-outdoor flow thanks to 6 brand new wall-to-wall sliders. In the kitchen, prepare to be amazed. A stunning 5 by 12 foot quartzite island anchors the space, surrounded by custom white oak shelving, premium appliances, and elevated finishes designed to impress. Just off the dining room, you'll find the perfect guest suite with private bathroom and entry into the backyard. Down the hall, you'll find beautifully appointed bedrooms, each designed with comfort, light, and privacy in mind. The laundry room is both functional and beautiful, featuring thoughtful design touches and plenty of storage. The 3-car garage boasts 13-foot ceilings, custom doors, and direct access to the mudroom, practical luxury at its best. This private office with custom glass and brass doors makes working from home a dream, with style and quiet productivity built right in. Now let's step outside, where your private backyard oasis awaits. A paver sun deck surrounds the oversized pool and spa, offering room to relax or entertain with unbeatable views of the bay. And finally, the crown jewel, your private double-decker Trex dock with a boat lift. 110 feet of bay frontage right in your backyard. Just minutes from white sand beaches, top schools, fine dining, and boutique shopping. This home isn't just a place to live, it's the ultimate dream lifestyle. So what do you think about the house? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to schedule a tour of this home or any other home on the Emerald Coast, you can find my contact below. I hope to meet you in person soon. Bye.